Hey Mommy China crew, welcome back to our family channel. Before we get into this video, I am going to do an unboxing with you. This is the Belanko Tea Kettle 3.0. It is in black. Let us begin. I love, might I add, the color of this box. It's really pretty. So here is the kettle. Move this out the way. It says the kettle can warm on the gas stove, electric, and it can go in the dishwasher as well. It is 2.7 quarters stainless steel and the color is in black. So let's look at this beauty. Gorgeous. It has a little button right here, so right here. Okay, I'm learning. I'm learning as I go, you guys. So that is how you open and release it to pour. That nice stainless steel. I'll show you how it looks inside. And this is the bottom. So let us add some water and give it a try. Alright, you guys. Now, I'm not going to use this water to drink out of, but I'm going to use it right now just to let you guys see. I'll probably just wash it out and then put some more water in because I am going to make me some lemon ginger tea. Okay, we're going to go ahead and put it on medium. And when it gets real hot, it's supposed to have a loud whistle. So we are going to see. We're going to test it out and see, y'all. I really love the finish on it, and as well as the wooden engravements. Like, it really looks nice. I really love the black. They did have, see what color shades that they had. 2 different shades of blue. They had a gray, white, as well as milk white, and the black. And I have a size large, you guys. I will be linking product information down below in the description as well. So let's see. I'm excited to hear how loud it gets. Go. Go. Go tea kettle. Go tea kettle. Go tea kettle. Okay, again, this is the Belanko tea kettle. I'm starting to hear some noise, some little bit of sound. I'm excited to hear the whistle. Let me move it up just a little closer, you guys, for you. I hear a little more sound, but it's still quite faint. I don't hear it as loudly. So I'm going to wait a little bit longer until I hear a loud whistle. So here is the whistle, you guys. Do you guys hear that? Again, I love this kettle and I am so excited to be using it. This is the Belanko. You guys saw me unbox it with you, and we are about to get into this video. Subscribe if you've not already.
our family channel.
Hey Mommy China crew, welcome back to our family channel.
So today,
we're coming to you. You guys, I was telling you on the last couple of videos that I was so close. I feel like I was so close to get my voxbox. So I'm going to get into that. I'm going to show you my first voxbox from INFLUENSTER. This is the NYX professional makeup box.
ooh,
Look at that.
let's see what is inside.
I got the Bear With Me cheek serum.
And
Oh, he can walk around.
this,
As well as the skin serum.
oh,
That was my first voxbox.
And
It looks very good on me. Milo, I'm gonna let you do one of Mars's things in a minute. Let me get through with the box boxes. I was just thinking, I left one of the products. Can you give me that product of the hair stuff that goes in this box? You know what I'm talking about?
Oh, yeah, yeah,
Orange.
yeah, yeah.
Thank you. So then I got a second box. But before I got a second box, I got a campaign for Cashback. It was for a pet store. So I got some goodies for like a fish tank and things for a fish, things like that. And here is my second box.
oh no.
It is a She Moisture box. Congratulations to me. Be careful with him. He can walk around and play, Marley. He does not need to sit down. Okay, I have wig and weave residue shampoo removal. It's in this bathroom down here. It is Boratsi and tea tree as well in this. You guys can see it. It's in the bathroom down here, I said, Milo. And this product Milo is getting me. Milo, it's in the orange container. And it says, thank you.
So, this is a shampoo conditioner.
No, girl, it is not.
And my mom did my hair and it looks so pretty.
Oh, you scratching all on me? Okay, you guys, here it is. It is the curl enhancing smoothie. You see that? Is it was it focusing for you guys?
What does it say?
It has,
in 1912.
I
You
don't
have to
know,
do this on the camera.
Neiman oil and silk protein. It is moisturized and curl define, curly thick hair. As y'all can see, this curly thick hair. So Miss Milo, hold on.
one?
You can tell Mars's first thing he won.
He
This is from
won.
Infantino.
He won this Infantino soft blocks, and it's very soft for babies. And you
Just one
can
moment.
play
Those
with
go
these
something. We're gonna do
blocks.
all the Infantino first.
So let me show them very close.
Okay. You go ahead. You show one of them.
I'm showing yellow because that's my favorite.
Yeah, Marley's showing the like purple,
Purple.
pinkish,
Purple,
and
pinkish
Milo's showing
shade.
the yellow for you guys.
Can you see it? Oh, here you go.
These are Infantino because they have the same
Yes,
face.
yeah, so you're going to be showing this. Go ahead and show that next.
I accidentally poked my eye.
Go ahead, Skylar, and show his next win. Marley, can you back up?
Marley.
Marley.
Mars won.
Marley. What?
Can you back up? Okay, go ahead and talk about it.
He won this big little watery thing, and
It's a water mat.
Yeah, and it has a little unicorn horn. What did they used to call them?
And it has a lot of ocean creatures.
This one
in
is
the
a
mat.
stingray. This one is a pufferfish.
And
this one, I
holding
think this
all
one.
of them
Yeah, this one is a
is a
clam.
stingray.
Another clam.
Yeah, it's pretty cool and it's a big size. Okay, Marley, go ahead and do the mat that is on the floor. This right here, he won another prize from Infantino, baby. So this is
Big mad.
Milo. It's Marley's turn.
And he could put his feet
Where does this go?
in the basket for shopping.
Yeah, so if you're going shopping or things like that, it goes in the cart, the basket.
And your kids can watch
stuck inside the
Milo, let's show the fourth product he won. And you guys, I am a part of the Infantino, just one moment. I am a part of the Infantino club. Like, I followed them on Facebook. So every time that they had a product available to win, I was entering it. And Mars kept winning. Good for Mars. Okay, tell us about it. What is that?
So, it's a baby carrier.
Yes.
What moms or dads can carry. Their son or daughter.
Yes, they're children. And it is light. It's in gray and blue. I really love it because you can wear it as a backpack and you can wear it in the front.
You can wear it when you're like shopping.
Yeah, taking walks or anything like that. All right, now we're getting to Munchkins. Mars won a prize bundle.
So the first thing that he probably, the first.
Oh, let me go get something real quick.
The first thing that he won was this cute little adorable frog cup.
It's an octopus, girl.
Oh, I did not know.
An octopus.
Octopus.
Drum.
Yep.
And then you can take the drum off and it turns into a what?
A bowl.
Yeah, like a cup, a bowl. And then it has yellow sticks to go with it, but I don't know what happened to it. Molly's gonna do this one.
And also, it has a little heart inside. It's like where you try to get the game. You have to get
it's like a game, a maze.
Yep. And there's like a little heart inside for the thing.
Now, do the other one, Skylar.
And here's a little a stingray, and it's actually a thing.
A xylophone.
Yeah, and then it goes do 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 do.
Yeah, he has yellow sticks to go with
and
this.
And it has this little heart.
I'll just play it with this.
Okay, back it up some. Back it up some, Skylar. All right, Marley, let's show the last product that went with that bundle.
This is a night light.
A light for your
what?
car.
What is that for?
A car and.
It's not like baby light.
Parent is supposed to see a baby.
To see what the baby's doing. Yeah. So that's what that is.
This thingy that you pull off.
Guys, we missed you and we loved you. So how have you been doing? Let us know in the comments. Say hello again to my beautiful family. Skylar, Marley, Milo. Mars. Subscribe to our channel, guys. Mommy Channel Crew. I say Mommy Crew, but they are Mommy Crew. They my part of my crew. Mommy Channel Crew. Guys, we're out and we love you. Peace.
Peace.
Subscribe.
Subscribe.